What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rock Tactical, and today I'm back with another video, bro. Alright, so I know y'all been seeing all these super safeties, these FRT triggers, all these new triggers coming out, right? So I thought to myself, why I got so many of the same triggers? Okay, if you don't know, let me show you guys. Gun clear. Gun is clear. There's our mag back in. So, as you all know, this is my AR pistol 5-inch 300 blackout, right? 300 black. I had a total of 3 5-inches. Giving away 2 of them. Keeping this one. 100K subscriber special doing giveaway. But since it's taking a long time to get to 100K, we gonna give away a trigger, man. Now, let's just go to where the trigger started at, okay? Now, first, look at the gun. Amazing looking gun. Wait. Let's look at the gun. Amazing, boy. I don't want to flash, you feel me? Flag y'all, but whoo. Trigger discipline. Fingers never gonna be on the trigger unless I'm at a gun range. Or unless I'm showing y'all the trigger. But I ain't gonna do that with this one. I got a strip lower with nothing in it to show y'all that. So, as y'all know, I started off doing the 7.62 AR pistols, right? And what happened with the 7.62 AR pistols, the mil-spec triggers would not get it to go off, basically. So I pulled the trigger, it clicked. Would not set the casing off. So I started looking into upgrading triggers. Get on Palmetto State Armory, I find this trigger. PSA match grade trigger. I think it's a 2-pound trigger. And it's an enhanced trigger. Put that in my 7.62, ran flawless. The trigger ran so good I ordered another one, right? So I got 2 of these triggers. Here's the other one. Now, this is the trigger I'm going to be giving away. The Palmetto State Armory match grade drop-in trigger. 1 pound trigger, I'm 100% sure. Now, before you ask me why I'm giving it away, I've been seeing the super safeties and the FRT triggers going crazy, right? I partnered up with Flex Industries. They're sending me a Flex 3 RMR 3-position AR trigger. And then they're sending me an AK Flex for the Draco. So, it's 2 triggers right there. Gonna drop the AK Flex in the Draco. Gonna put the Flex 3 MR in here. The Flex 3 MR is going in here. Got a whole nother build that you haven't seen. This is the Flex 3 MR is going in. I'm gonna give away this trigger. So let me go and show you the trigger first. Just to show you you feel me? So, like, let me see, like, I can show you guys a better way. You really don't even gotta pull it and it's going off. Like, you barely, like, literally, look at it. It got a little bit. Now let's see the reset time. Barely any reset. And then it just goes off. So this is indeed a nice trigger. It has a fancy, like, dagger, sharp, flat-facing trigger. So it feels good when you're shooting it. The enhanced hammer. And the anti-walk pin. So you know this trigger isn't going anywhere while you're shooting it. Now, the reason I'm doing the giveaway on this trigger is because, like I said, I don't want to have 2 of the same triggers. I'm not going to have so many triggers. I'm going to be giving this trigger away, right? I'm going to be giving this trigger away. I'm going to be putting either the super safety in here, or I'm going to be putting a wide open trigger in here. Okay. Now, I'm actually thinking about putting the Flex 3MR on this lower just because it has the 3-position markings, and that is a 3-position trigger. And then I was just gonna have the flex trim R in here. Okay. So this will be, and I can't even say binary because binary is a patented word. Like it's not a binary. It's a flex trim R. It's a G flex trigger. It's not a binary. You know, like those are the real names. So I will be putting flex trim R in here. Then I'm gonna give away this trigger. If you want to win this trigger, DM me on Instagram. Instagram will be in the comments. DM me on Instagram to win this trigger. You don't gotta do nothing. You gotta pay nothing. You don't have to pay nothing. It's just signal giveaway. You just follow me, draw the name, boom. Whoever wins, wins. Amazing trigger. Drops right in. You just tap your other, boom, drops it right in. So it's a quick install system. But I will be doing a super safe in here. And I will be running it on a micro 762 and a micro 300 blackout. Okay. The 762 and the 556 may be gone. I'm really depending. I've been talking to my shorty, and she's telling me to wait to 90K. I'm really trying to get some stuff away now, so you know I got a reason to get more stuff. See what I'm saying? So boom. Super safe in here. Flex trim R in the other one. Wide open trigger build. Okay. It's a wide open or FRT, one of them. FRT trigger build. Then we have Mars triggers. Mars triggers are sending out the AK FRT, and I'm going to put that in my mini Draco. So in the micro Draco, I'm going to have the AK flex. The mini Draco, I'm going to have the Mars FRT. And here I'm going to have the super safe. And on the 300 blackout, I'm going to have the flex trim R. Okay. So honestly, I may give away both of these triggers. Because the flex trim R is a 3-position trigger. Safe, fire, then, you know. So I could use that semi. So I may give away both of these triggers. I've put a lot of rounds through these triggers. I've never had a light primer strike ever. If it ever was a jam, it was because I had a cheap bolt. I was, you know, the gas block, or I was using the cheap upper. Palmetto State did their thing with this upper. So comment down below. What should I put on what? Should I put the super safety on the micro 300 blackout? Should I put the wide open trigger on the 5-inch 762? I need to know. Or I may just put it on one lower and just run everything off that lower. But I don't want to do that. I want to have specific guns for specific reasons. You see what I'm saying? But if you want to win this Palmetto State Armory, pull, barely moves, release. You feel me? So it's a great trigger. Don't have to pay nothing. Just win. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Because we finna go crazy with this. 300 blackout, faction firearms lower. We're gonna put that flex trim R in here. We're gonna put the super safe in that one. And we're gonna see. And I'm gonna do a review on all the triggers. On the Mars trigger, the super safe, the wide open triggers, the FRTs. I'm gonna do a review shooting all those at the same time. Okay? So you guys stay tuned. It's 2025. I'm trying to take it up a notch. But man, this is my favorite build in the collection. So I can't wait to, you know, put something special behind her. It's my most, this right here, this her. Nah, I may be getting a new boat. I want a better boat. Comment down below what type of boat should I do in here. Other than that, everything goes crazy. And I've seen people say they've been having problems with a lot of the triggers. Okay? So you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the triggers, figure them out, master them, then I'm hitting y'all with the information, dog. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy, Rock Tactical. And I will be back soon. Wait. Wait, hold on, wait. Hold on, man, wait, dude. Wait, bro, wait. You trying to go somewhere? I gotta ask you something. You see my Condition 1 review? You bullspitting. Why you bullspitting? Look. Condition 1. 5 pistols. 20 mags. Range review. Coming soon. But if you want to just see the unboxing review, go to my channel. Link gonna be in the description. This is the Condition 1 808. tactical range case. Holds 5 pistols and 20 magazines, man. The link to their website will be in the bio. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy, Rock Tactical.